What do you need?
Something to bite on. Is it gonna be painful?
No.
Okay.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Alright.
Alright, ready? Healthy Feet Podiatry, Dr. Ben. This is the juiciest toenail I've seen this year. We've had a lot of them. I told him, he's like, have you ever seen these before? I'm like, yeah, I've seen them, just not this year. We got to numb it up. Whatever is going on, there's a lot of like juice underneath there, pocket of pus, something that's causing the nail to lift up. That's what that protrusion is right across the toe. How we doing?
I'm good.
Good, see? He's like, I need something to bite on. I was like, no, you don't. You'll be all right. Despite your wifey.
I just had hip replacement also.
Oh, okay, yeah. When was that?
March 6th.
March 6th, yeah. We definitely want to get this under control because, you know, we don't want any infection spreading, right? So whatever you did, you caused a lot of like a localized, what's called a perionychia infection of the perinychia area.
What's the perinychia area?
I don't know. I just
The base of the...
Yeah, base of the toenail. I made it all up just now.
Okay. Love it.
Okay, let's stop a second. We are back, and just to be sure, I got the whole PPE set up, face mask. I've had a toe like squirt me in the face before, so I just want to make sure it doesn't do that again. How's it feel? Is it numb now? Does it hurt still or no? Do you feel this or pressure or pain?
I don't feel it.
You don't feel it? How's this? Pain? All right, good. Okay, so you tell me, how did do you think this started? How long has this been? How long has this been?
I started.
That hurt?
A little bit.
What? This hurt?
When you bend it down, yeah, a little bit.
What about this?
Yeah, right there.
But what about up here?
No.
Not so much. Okay. So yeah, this area looks really juicy right here. Let me get some gauze. I'm not gonna even use the tourniquet. The tourniquet's gonna squirt me in the face. Anytime you see like this, like whitish here at the periungual area, means there's probably an infection. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Does that hurt? Sorry for the sound effects.
Not too bad.
It hurts or no?
No.
Okay. I'm like bracing myself too. Oh my gosh. I didn't say that. That was his wife. You saw that, right? What the heck? Whoa. You okay, Glory? Mm-hmm. Oh my God. That hurt?
Just when you bend it a little bit.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. See, we definitely have an infection wound. You can see how it's like kind of like starting to extend to his feet. Mm-hmm. So I'm glad we're getting on top of this. You went to the ER last night and they gave you some medicine. I'm surprised they didn't take it off.
You went to
urgent care.
Urgent care. Mm-hmm.
Does that hurt me doing this? No. Okay. Wow. Told you it was the juiciest one I've seen all year. What about, does this any of this hurt?
That on the left there.
Yes, pain?
Where your hand is over here. Yeah, mash. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this? Anything on the nail itself?
No.
Does that hurt?
A little bit.
What about this?
Yeah.
Because I'm in there. I think it's just me pushing on your toe that's hurting, right? Not the actual toenail. What about this? Anything?
No.
You did something, boss. Wow. You did it good on me? Got all over my hand.
I'm glad it didn't squirt this way.
I'm telling you, there's a video where I got nailed right in the face. Does that hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
A lot of. Is it me pushing on the toe or is it me pulling out the nail?
Pulling out the nail.
Alright. Need to get a little bit of medicine, okay? I'm surprised like we're like halfway in and now you're starting to feel it. You've been soaking this in bleach or anything?
No.
Or vinegar? I smell like a little bit of bleach.
That's that ointment they gave me.
Oh, the ointment?
Mm-hmm. So keeping it from growing on the outside.
Does that hurt still?
Not too bad. Ah.
Let me do some more. you some more. Okay, that should be maybe like triple what I normally give, so look at that nail. That nail was like not doing anything anymore. Usually it bleeds a lot, but you did a lot of damage to it, causing it to. How are you doing? Still hurting?
I'm good. I'm good.
All right. So what happened was he traumatized it. He did something, caused an infection. A large blister formed underneath the nail, and it pushed the nail all the way up, and that's why it was hurting so dang bad, because that blister, that fluid had nowhere to go, and ended up just pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing up against his foot.
Gotcha.
And now that we got it off, it should feel a lot better.
I'm gonna give this to you. That's the post-op instructions, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna flush it out with some vinegar. Questions for me?
No.
Is that hurting still or no?
No.
No? You did good. You did good. You survived.
It's off?
Yeah, though.
Sorry for
What
the
about
torture.
to the left there?
What left?
On the toe. That black thing that was up.
It's gone.
It's gone.
That's gone too?
The whole nail.
The whole toe's gone.
No, don't tell me that.
you
Just
go.
kidding, just kidding. No, the whole toenail's gone, so there's nothing to worry about. I'm gonna have you come back in 2 weeks just to make sure it's healing up fine. Does that hurt? Or just on the toe? I want you to take the antibiotics. If that redness gets worse, go to like the hospital again, okay? But since now that everything is off and all the source of infection is out, there shouldn't be a concern anymore. Okay? Follow the instructions and ointment, Band-Aid every single day. That's all I got for you. Okay?
Okay, Doc. I appreciate it, man.
I appreciate you. Thanks for letting me. By the way, thanks for letting me record. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to your YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and actually, we'll be sure to make an update video next time.
Cool.
All right? It tells them to look 10 times better, feel 10 times better than I did today too. So, I appreciate you guys.
Will the nail grow back?
Yes, and it takes a long time though. Okay.
Right.
All right. Bye.